Let's take a look at this tomato plant. As you can see from the leaves, the margins are purple. That tells me that this is a phosphorus deficiency. Usually when you have phosphorus deficiency, you either have wet soils or cold soils. So I'm going to say, because of all of the rainfall that we've had here recently, wet soils. So this is what you can do. You can actually fertilize this tomato plant with a half strength of a triple 13, a complete balanced fertilizer. That's one thing you can do. Or the other thing you can do is this. Make sure that you have good drainage, right? Make sure the soil drains well. So again, this is a phosphorus deficiency, and I'm guessing it's due to wet soil. So again, fertilize with a half strength as a complete balanced fertilizer, and make sure you have good drainage.